Every time you turn the tap, clean water arrives instantly, without you ever seeing how. It's a simple act, but tap water is a fundamental part of our daily lives. From the first coffee of the morning to the last load of laundry, it supports every routine. Because it's always there, most people rarely think about where it comes from. It is an invisible system working silently in the background of every home. But the journey of tap water begins thousands of miles away from your kitchen sink. It starts as raw, natural fresh water flowing freely through our landscapes. Vast lakes serve as the primary reservoirs, supplying life to millions of people. High in the mountains, seasonal snowmelt feeds the streams that eventually reach our pipes. Every drop of rain is a replenishment of our future water supply. Before the luxury of the tap, gathering water was a grueling, manual task. For most of history, every gallon had to be carried by hand from a natural source. Because of this, human communities were forced to form strictly around water. The Romans changed everything, building massive aqueducts to bring water directly into the city. They used the simple power of gravity to move water across vast distances. But without modern treatment, even this water was often dangerous to drink. As cities grew, the demand for a reliable, safe supply became a matter of survival. Modern dams were built to tame the landscape and store massive amounts of water. These reservoirs act as the starting point for the modern municipal system. To ensure safety, these watersheds are some of the most protected areas on Earth. Massive intake structures draw the water in, beginning its journey into the human world. This raw water is now ready to begin its transformation. Quality sensors monitor the water the moment it enters the system. Before it can be used, every drop must pass through a rigorous purification process. This is where raw nature meets advanced industrial science. Treatment begins at a massive scale, focusing first on removing visible particles. In large basins, we use gravity to let heavy sediment settle naturally at the bottom. Mechanical arms then skim any remaining impurities from the surface. Once the heavy lifting is done, the water flows toward the precision filtration stage. Deep beds of sand and gravel act as a natural sieve, catching smaller contaminants. Activated carbon filters are used to strip away chemicals and improve the taste and odor. The water passes through multiple stages, becoming clearer with every step. Even microscopic particles are trapped by high-tech membranes. In the control room, every gallon is tracked and tested in real time. To make the water truly safe, a precise disinfection process is required. Controlled chlorination provides a protective shield against harmful bacteria. Many modern systems also use high-intensity UV light to neutralize pathogens. Final laboratory tests ensure the water meets strict government safety standards. Only then is the water certified as safe for millions of families to drink. High-powered pumps then drive the water into the city's massive distribution network. Beneath our streets, a hidden web of pipes moves the water through the urban maze. Pressure-regulating valves ensure the flow remains even, whether you're on the first floor or the 50th. Iconic water towers stand as silent sentinels, using height to maintain system pressure. These elevated tanks store thousands of gallons, ready for peak demand. From the main lines, the system branches out into every neighborhood. Local utilities manage this flow 24/7 to ensure no community goes dry. Specialized backup systems stand ready in case of power failures or emergencies. Finally, the water enters your building through a single dedicated line. Your home's plumbing takes over, delivering water to every faucet and fixture. The journey is complete. The water is ready for your glass. It reaches your home ready for immediate use. A miracle of modern engineering. It's the essential ingredient in every meal we cook for our families. It is the primary tool for hygiene, keeping us safe from everyday germs. It's what we use to maintain a clean and healthy living environment. Beyond the home, it fuels our schools and public fountains. In hospitals, a reliable supply of clean water is a literal lifesaver. Modern tap water is widely considered one of the greatest public health achievements in history. By eliminating waterborne diseases, it has saved countless lives. This safety is maintained by constant regulation and transparent reporting. We never stop watching, monitoring the system every second of every day. However, our aging underground infrastructure requires constant attention and care. Dedicated crews work around the clock to maintain and repair this vital network. Today, climate change is putting new pressure on our natural water sources. Conservation has become an essential part of protecting our future supply. Small actions like turning off the tap make a massive difference at scale. We are investing in new infrastructure to make our water systems more resilient. Technological innovation is making treatment more efficient and sustainable. Emergency preparedness ensures that even in a crisis, the water keeps flowing. This trust is what makes tap water a seamless part of our daily lives. It remains the most accessible and reliable source of hydration available. Ultimately, water is a shared resource that belongs to the entire community. It is a system that works so well it's often hidden in plain sight. Modern cities simply could not exist without this constant flow of life. From the mountain stream to the kitchen glass, the journey of water is extraordinary. From reservoirs to faucets, the journey of tap water is the invisible system that keeps modern life healthy and running.